observation capacity, and its compact profile facilitates optimal stealth in urban and mountainous environments. Each platform, equipped with battlenet inside, can carry medium to large caliber weapon systems. And it's got a low procurement cost and access to the Volvo Renault Trucks maintenance network across the entire world. So what we have, ladies and gentlemen, is performance close to an 8x8, but at an economic cost. The VAT Mark III is equipped with a driveline 6x6 with independent suspension and a powerful 340 horsepower engine, coupled to automatic transmission. Its monocoque hull is available with numerous versions. There's the troop transport version for 2 people in the front, the driver and the gunner, plus 10 soldiers. And the weapon system used would be a small caliber manned or remotely operated one. And it also could be used as an infantry fighting vehicle, or IFV, for 2 plus 7 soldiers, with a weapon system, one remotely operated turret from 20 to 30 millimeters, and also as a reconnaissance and fire support vehicle for 2 plus 4 soldiers, equipped with a 90mm turret, and also as an intelligence surveillance targeting vehicle, or ISTAR, using a 120mm mortar carrier, command post or ambulance, etc. So now the members of the Special Forces have completed their mission and are making their way back into the Renault Mark III. Now the VAT Mark III is able to climb a gradient of up to 60%. It's able to negotiate a side slope of 40%. And as we watch this rather fantastic vehicle coming across the terrain before us, it can cross a trench of 0.9 meters deep. Now, ladies and gentlemen, now that the Special Forces have cleared the area, the United Nations vehicle is making its way slowly along a potentially hazardous piece of road. Ladies and gentlemen, the United Nations vehicle has narrowly missed being blown up by an explosive device. Now, we're waiting for the mine disposal teams to arrive, and here they come on board the Renault Defence Trucks Dagger vehicle. Now, the mine disposal operator that's going to get out of the back is wearing the new Protocop demining suit, and the Protocop demining suit is supplied to the French army. It's designed for special operations leading to the searching of mines and neutralizing of them. It's composed of front, back and shoulder protection, arm protectors. It's also got removable mittens for hand protection, trousers for pelvic protection and leg protection, removable protection for the top of feet, and the whole suit weighs in at around 25 kilograms. Now, each component protects against fragmentation threat of Stanag 2920 on the entire surface of the suit, which gives it a very good level of ergonomy and comfort. It also allows a quick implementation, and it's got a protection visor which is compatible with every kind of heavy helmet, and the jacket is equipped with a deflator neck, protecting the agent against the blast. Now, the suit's design allows, in the case of emergency, to safely carry the injured agent and remove the equipment. It's available in 2 sizes, ranging from 1.6 meters to 2.10 meters, and a training version is also available. And last but not least, there's a carrying bag so that the whole suit can be packed away into a backpack. Now, the mine disposal teams have installed the GBK ground bomb killer bag from World. Now, as you have just seen, the object has blown up. The GBK ground bomb killer bag is very simple to use. It's placed over the suspicious object, and if the item then does blow up, the GBK from Summerworld channels the blast upwards and stops the horizontal fragmentation. As we've seen from the demonstration, it's fast and very easy to use. Now, this GBK has been developed and internationally patented by Summerworld, and the equipment itself is made up of sliding, flexible ballistic crowns. The GBK is used over the 5 continents by special forces, police, armies, DoD, but it's also been used in conjunction with airports, railways, embassies, and other sensitive areas, ladies and gentlemen. Now the dagger is going to make its way onto the terrain. Now the dagger by Renault Trucks Defence is a light armoured vehicle for command and liaison, principally intended for aid and support units. Its small profile and military 4x4 chassis offers good urban and all-terrain mobility, and its armoured body offers the best level of protection in its market class. Now, the dagger has a modular internal volume, which means that there's enough room to fit it out in either the transport version or the C2 command and control version. A system of rails fitted to the partitions allows the vehicle's inner layout to be modified and easily secure items of equipment. Different versions are already in use, and it can climb a gradient of 50%. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes 2 vehicles from Spain. Going over the bridge is the Pastor from Hatton Racing, and following on behind is the Agrali from VT Proyectos. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look at the vehicle which is following on behind, the faster vehicle, the Pastor from JTN Racing. Now, Hatton Racing is a company that specialises in the design and manufacture of high-performance vehicles for racing in international competitions. The Hatton Racing team has successfully completed international races such as the Rally Dakar, the Abu Dhabi Desert Challenge and the Rally de Morocco. And based on their experience in racing, Hatton Racing developed the Pastor ATV. Now, what exactly is the Hatton ATV Pastor? Well, it's an ultralight military high-performance configurable vehicle, and it's air transportable. In terms of its functional attributes, it can be camouflaged with its low field profile and high manoeuvrability. All this can be added to it without compromising stealth. It's got a blackout mode for night or infiltration operations, and in terms of its engine, it's got a Rotax 976 centimeters cubed, developing 100 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 9 seconds. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's turn our attention to the bridge now, to the other vehicle on the bridge, the Agrali. Just wait for the Agrali to come up on the screens. Now, the Agrali is made by the Spanish companies VT Proyectos and Star Defense Logistics, and it's in collaboration with the Brazilian company Agrali. Now, the Agrali Marua 4x4 vehicles are specially developed for military applications. They've been designed to perform heavy work with any of their different models, and that ranges from reconnaissance to ambulance work, troop transport, command and communications. Now, the vehicle we've got on the bridge before us is the AN11, which has been specially designed for reconnaissance. It's prepared to carry 2 7.62 machine guns. It's got the following technical characteristics: power of 140 horsepower, maximum speed 122 kilometers per hour. And this vehicle, which was used for border surveillance, is equipped with a 3-meter mast, radar, thermal cameras, and other elements that facilitate the missions entrusted to these kinds of vehicles. Now, this vehicle was born ready to adapt to the most difficult and complicated missions. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, coming up the spine of the hill is the Jaws APC Armoured Personnel Carrier from IAG. Now, the IAG Jaws APC is a vehicle solution specifically designed and engineered to meet the requirements of a high-mobility, lightweight armour vehicle for vehicle and law enforcement agencies worldwide. It's also well suited as a border patrol vehicle and has earned its reputation of safely transporting troops in high-risk regions, such as in Iraq and in Africa. And the Jaws APC is available in both left-hand drive and right-hand drive versions, with either a 4.5-litre V8 diesel engine or a 4.6-litre V8 petrol engine, both of which offer up to 300 horsepower. got a choice of 5-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed automatic transmission, and the Jaws features independent double wishbone front suspension